So hey guys, welcome back to TechRex. So this video, if you are using local models and you already installed local models like local offline models using some providers like Ollama or LM Studio, you're using it on your laptop. So you cannot take the laptop everywhere you go. The device which we take will be with you most of the times is your mobile. So how can we access these offline models from our laptop in our phone, like anywhere we go? Let's install Tailscale.com. What is Tailscale? Tailscale is where we can connect to any of our devices over the internet, like to our local devices. Like if I'm using my phone and I want to connect to my laptop, which is in my home and it is running, so I can access that laptop through Tailscale. And this is the bridge between our laptop and our mobile phone, where we can access the local models over the internet. So let's get started, and I'm gonna sign up with an email here. We have to add different kinds of devices, like from where we have to access anything. So first, we are setting up this in our Windows device, my Windows device. So I'm gonna just click Windows here. Let's download the Tailscale for Windows, and it is downloaded. And so it is waiting for our first device to set up. So I'm gonna install the Tailscale here, agree and click yes. So it is downloading. So after, you can see that there is a little system tray icon, or you can just click Tailscale here. Then it will redirect to the login website, and I'll just click connect here, and it is connected. So you can see that we have our device connected, and now I'll install that in my mobile. So here I have my Android device, and I'm just installing Tailscale. I'll click open. I'll just click started. I'll just click allow, and I'll just click login. And you have to log in with the same account which you have registered in Windows device. So I'm gonna sign in with Windows and signing up with the same account, and just click connect. So you can see here uh, our two devices is added to Tailscale. So yeah, I think that's it. We can just go to admin console and check which devices is connected. So the setup is completed. Now let's access our model. So I'm just using LM Studio. If you have if you did not see the video yet, there is a video in my YouTube channel which is about how to install this local models and chat with them. You can just watch it from here, and I'll just click the developer options in LM Studio, and I'll just load a model. I'll just load Qwen 3.5. I'll just make a small correction here, like I'm just enabling to serve on local network, so our models can be accessed outside of our network using our internet. So I'm just clicking serve on local network. So you can see the local host server is changed to our Tailscale server. So it can be reached through our devices using Tailscale. So this is the local server which we can reach from any of the endpoint. Now for chatting, we have different kinds of applications in Play Store. Like the most I use is ChatBox.ai. So I'll just open it, and let's configure, and let's bring this model to here. I'll just install it, and you can see I'm going to settings, I'm going to model provider, and I'll just add the provider. Like this is LM Studio, and it is OpenAI compatible, and just add. For API, here where we enter the local server address, like I'm just typing that. So for LM Studio, if you want to access the models over internet from your mobile phone, they need authentication. So for authentication, you need to create one API key, which is from here. Just create one API key by clicking manage tokens, and take that API key and drop it when you're configuring the models in Chatbox app. So now I have entered my API key and the API host, which it should be exactly like this, so it can fetch the models correctly. And when I click fetch here, so it's gonna send the request and get all the models which are available in our laptop to here. So we just loaded Qwen 3.5 9 billion model, so I'm gonna add this model. You can also add different all models, or you can just skip it. And I'm going to configure this model like enabling some vision capabilities and some reasoning and also tool use. So now I'll just click save, and I'm gonna just chat with this. So you can see here when I create a new chat from here and just selecting by going through here, which I just configured the LM Studio, and just select that model and click, and just we can just start typing, which is, so our chats will be private. And so when I just send a message, it send that message to our laptop and it just start responding. We can also add images. This is how you access our offline models, which are downloaded and installed in our laptop from anywhere using your phone. And you no need to carry your laptop everywhere. You just want a right setup for that. So that's it. You can also try using bigger models for better intelligence and tell me what happened. So follow TechRex. Thank you.